Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be using petroleum jelly. Now, when I was growing up, we tend to use petroleum jelly a lot. As a baby, petroleum jelly was used on me for like diaper rash and stuff like that. Now, we also use petroleum jelly in our hair. We use petroleum jelly to moisturize our skin. When we take our shower, we just, moisturize our skin with petroleum jelly. In today's society, a lot of people tend to look down on petroleum jelly. Some people think that it's going to clog the pores. Some people said it just sit on the skin. And some people just say you downright out I'm not gonna use petroleum jelly on my skin. Now, I am the product of using petroleum jelly on my skin. The honest truth is, when you take a look at petroleum jelly, it does not penetrate deep into the skin. What petroleum jelly does is that it locks the moisture in the skin. And if you can find a barrier on your skin to lock that moisture on your skin, to prevent your skin from drying out, to have your skin just looking hydrated, soft and supple, then why not? So guess what I'm going to do for you today? I'm going to show you how you can use the petroleum jelly, mix it with other anti-aging ingredients that are known to get rid of wrinkles, fine lines, and I'm going to show you how you could make a scrub / a facial mask using the petroleum jelly. So if you're interested, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. Now, to make our moisturizing scrub plus mask, the first thing we're going to use is some rice. Today I'm using purple rice. However, if you do not have purple rice, feel free to go ahead and use the rice you have, such as white rice or even some brown rice. Now, what I'm going to do with this rice, I am going to blend to a powder. Now, I'm blending about a 1/4 cup of purple rice and pour this in the blender and just blend. Now take a look. Here I have the blended rice, and what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put it to the side and move on to the next ingredient. Now our next ingredient is coffee, and here I have some coffee beans, which I'm also going to blend to a powder. So just cover and blend. Take a look. This is the blended coffee beans, and you can blend your coffee, put it in the refrigerator in a Ziploc or bag, and keep it there for a few days or even a few weeks. Now guys, coffee is going to help to fight wrinkles on the skin. It's also going to help to boost the collagen production in the skin. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of the coffee powder, also 2 teaspoons of the blended rice, and I'm going to mix the two dry ingredients together. Just mix well. Now rice also will help to fight wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, and purple rice contains a lot of anti-aging properties that will help to lift and firm the skin. Now take a look at my next ingredient, which is petroleum jelly, also known as VASELINE. Very moisturizing. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of the petroleum jelly, and I'm going to blend this in the rice and the coffee powder. So you just want to mix this, and this is going to take a little while. You can also choose to melt the petroleum jelly and pour it in and then you mix. However, I prefer to mix it like this because the way I'm going to use it on my face, I don't want it to be too watery. I want it to be really thick and nice. So take your time and blend this. Do not add any water to this. Just blend as is. Now guys, this is an hydrating facial mask / a facial scrub that you can apply to your skin to get amazing result, to soften the skin while getting rid of dull skin, wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So now I'm trying to make this in more of a ball like, and take a look at what I'm doing here, almost like a soap, because you're going to use your hands to apply this on your face. So I'm just going to shape it, and you can do whatever you feel like doing with it at this stage. Now if you were using the melted Vaseline, you will not be able to do what I'm doing with it. So this is it, guys, and this is exactly how I want it to be. You just make it, and then look what I'm doing with it, almost like a soap. I'm using it to exfoliate my skin, and this is exactly how you're going to use it on your face. Just exfoliate the skin with it. Now what I want to tell you about this is that when you use it to exfoliate your face in circular motion, you are not going to rinse this off. You're going to leave this on your skin like I have it here, and you're going to leave it on the skin for at least 30 minutes. What is going to happen is that it's going to plump the skin up, hydrate the skin, and it's going to have your skin feeling soft and supple looking. Now after you wear it for 30 minutes, then you're going to rinse off, preferably with some room temperature water. Next, you are going to pat dry the skin, apply your favorite facial toner and your favorite facial serum and moisturizer. Now this is great for dry skin. If you have very dry skin or medium to dry skin, this is going to be really good for your skin. It's gonna get rid of that dullness while moisturizing the skin. Now if you have oily skin, you can choose to switch out the petroleum jelly, and you can use a little bit of grapeseed oil instead of the petroleum jelly. You can also choose to use some shea butter in this recipe, and better yet, you can use some yogurt. So just make it your own, mix, match, and just play around with the two main ingredients, which is the rice and the coffee, and you're on your way to beautiful looking skin. And you can use this 2 to 3 times per week, especially when you're looking to hydrate the skin, when you're looking to get rid of the flakiness from your skin, when you're looking to get rid of the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. You, it is an amazing way to use the petroleum jelly on your skin. Give it a try, use it for a week, and come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching, and guess what? I have a Friday show every Friday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is Let's Talk Skincare with Khichi Beauty. On this show, I share, new invention. I go and I search for ingredients that are now popular ingredient that you can find in high-end, low-end skincare, you name it. Just talk about products and a whole quick question and answer. So you don't want to miss Let's Talk Skincare with Khichi Beauty every Friday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you all for watching. Now guys, if you like this video, I also have a few more videos in the description box below. You can take a look at those, and also at the end of this video, there are a few more recommendation videos you might want to watch. So go ahead, look at them, share them, leave a comment, use them at home, and come back and leave a comment. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.